Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this situation in here, we can use about Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So because we have S, so we need to create about complementary solution and particular solution. About complementary solution, I will put about yc equals to s to the power of n. Now if I do first derivative of this one, you got about n s to the power of n minus 1. If we do second derivative, you got about n multiplied by n minus 1. And this one reduce another one power, so you got about s to the power of n minus 2. And the last one, third derivative of the function, you got about n minus 2 s to the power of n minus 3. And now we have this equation in here, but this is about complementary solution, so this one equal to number 0. So I will put this one to change this one in here. First derivative go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. Now if we look carefully, we have s to the power of 3 multiplied by s to the power of n minus 3. You got about s to the power of n. Similar for this one, and you got about n multiplied by n minus 1, n minus 2, s to the power of n. That's it from here. Now let's go to the next one. That's about s to the power of n. And the next one, 2ns to the power of n. And the last one, that's about 2s to the power of n. Now we have s to the power of n. We can do about factorization in here. So we just have this one in here. This one we just ignore, so we just have only just like this. Now we need to expand everything in here. So we need to simplify. Negative 3n squared, negative n squared, you got about negative 4n squared. 2n, and n, you got about 5n. This one you got about number 2. So after I use about calculator, the solution is very not beauty. So I will put this one is about capital A, capital B, and capital C. And now we got the final answer. That's about s to the power of capital A. And we have C number 1 in here. C number 2, s to the power of capital B. And C number 3, s to the power of capital C. And this is the answer for complementary solution in here. Now, let's go to particular solution. We have s in here. So, about yp, I will put about as plus b. So, if I do first derivative, you got only a. Because first derivative of b you got about 0, first derivative of s you got about 1. And if I do second derivative, you got about 0. And third derivative, you got about number 0. So in this situation, I will have this one in here. Now, I will put about yp go in here. This one go in here. Similar for this one and this one. So we will have about 2s and we have a. We put in here, that's it from here. And we have 2 multiplied by as plus b. Now we need to simplify. This one you got about 4as. So in this one we just have s, that's about number 1. We don't have the number, so b equal to number 0. 4a equals to number 1. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we got about 1 over 4. So yb in here, we just have only this one. And that's about 1 over 4s. And now we have the final answer. yc, that's about this one. And yp, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.